So I did a radiator change on my 2003 Chevy Corvette. Here's the old radiator and fans. See how skinny that is. It's the top, 2 hoses. This is the automatic transmission cooling line fitting. You have one there and you have one down there. It's a lower hose. Here's the new radiator. ECP 2001 to 2004 Chevy Corvette radiator. I mean, look at how much thicker it is. It looks great. Polished aluminum. Got the top hose already connected, but the problem is this is the fitting for the C4 on my 2003. This isn't a quick connect because that screws in and out. There's no pin or cotter pin to pull out because they provided this fitting. As you can see, that ain't screwing on there. They also provided this one that has the cotter key that you pull out. That ain't gonna fit either. Now these two things are the top. These screw in at the top, so those are good. Those are beautiful actually. But if you can see, this thing is not gonna screw in there. There's just no way. So I need an answer from ECP on getting that. I also put the DeWitts fans in there, which look beautiful. Mounted great, I got it in there, but this isn't gonna fit. That means the bottom one's not gonna fit. I need some help. I need an adapter or a fitting just like this. I believe this is a 1/4 inch. This has to be bigger. Needs to be equivalent to screwing into that thing. All right, Corvette enthusiast, I need your help. 2003 Chevy Corvette with a fitting like this into an aftermarket radiator. Thank you.